your size of balls is perfect. Look at it. Drop in all the balls. Usually I make them big, but while making them I was thinking about Queen Victoria and they somehow have become smaller. Why do South Indians enjoy sambar pretty much any day and every day? When you have a great accompaniment. If it is a papad, if it is a chili, or even if it is a nicely roasted non-vegetarian. And today's accompaniment is dumpling of chicken, which is spicy with little bit of pepper, and we're going to enjoy with mixed vegetable sambar. So whatever vegetables that are available with you, you can put it in the sambar and it becomes a very delicious one. And for me, I make excuses to make sambar because I want to eat sambar today. Today let's make fresh picked vegetable sambar. Add some oil in a pan. Today's sambar include the Ghee, Bhendi, Brinjal and drumstick and also our ash gourd. We make an excellent sweet with this ash gourd, which I'll give in the description. You should try. Now for the tempering, add mustard, red chili, little bit of methi dana and cumin seeds. Immediately add curry leaves and pinch of hing. Now add onions. Wow. The bigger piece of onions for bigger size vegetables. So the vegetables today what I am using is slightly bigger. But for the breakfast sambar, in the restaurants they add hardly any vegetables. But at home, you cut the vegetables very small and make sambar. Vegetables, brinjal, okra, drumstick. And also we're going to add some potatoes. Just saute them. I messed up the tempering a little bit, but that's okay. In this add ash gourd, tomatoes. Look at the loads of vegetable. The other day when I made fried rice, I took 1 bowl of rice, 1 bowl of vegetables. When you eat this sambar, you got to take 1 bowl of rice and 1 bowl full of vegetables and sambar. That's how you got to enjoy this. So saute these vegetables, add turmeric. You're going to add some green chili. Look at it, half the quantity of vegetables here. You got to add tamarind juice. Always add the sourness of your taste. Do not add too much. In this, add salt and let these vegetables boil in this tamarind water. That's when your sambar is going to be tasty. When the vegetables are boiling, you got to add the sambar masala. Then I add little extra coriander powder and chili powder, okay, to make it nice and spicy. Now, if you want, add more water and boil till these vegetables are almost done. Because the next ingredient what we are going to add is cooked dal. This is slightly overcooked dal. That's what we are going to add. So that is at the last. In the meanwhile, put the lid on and let all these vegetables boil well. The great accompaniment for today's sambar is chicken. The chicken that we are going to make into small little dumplings and fry it in the ghee. And the masala is also very special. So first take some chicken mince, around 200 grams of chicken mince. In this we are going to add 1 egg. Add some finely chopped coriander, green chili, a little bit of chili powder, pinch of salt. Mix all of these ingredients. When the vegetables are almost cooked, add jaggery and add dal. Do not add too much dal, just required amount. I always love little leftover dal because in the night if I am eating light and with some fried chicken, I want little bit dal. So I just quickly make tomato dal, which is my favorite, and enjoy with it. So now here look at this sambar. If it is just make it to the consistency you want and adjust the seasoning. In the last you add some more chopped coriander in this and just bring this to a boil. Let it simmer for a few minutes and your sambar is ready. This sambar, I wanted it slightly thicker. So this is just right to be enjoyed with my chicken. Based on the consistency of your minced chicken, you can add breadcrumb or even roasted chana dal powder. I'm going to add some of this and just mix it so that the consistency is right, so that you can make the dumplings. For making the dumplings easy, just apply a little bit of oil, then take the mixture and your size of balls is perfect. Look at it. Okay, these are definitely much smaller. Okay, but this should be good enough for today. I'm going to make a special masala for this chicken. Add some cumin, some fennel seeds, peppercorns. First, give it a hard one, and in the ding chick, they're all nicely crushed. Add some garlic in the last, and that's it. The masala is ready. Now, in the hot pan, add ghee. When the ghee is slightly hot, drop in all the balls. Usually I make them big, but while making them I was thinking about Queen Victoria and they somehow have become smaller. So, good. Okay. These super dumplings for my sambar, just in the ghee, look at it. They're slowly getting roasted, and once they're slightly more done, you can keep tossing them. Now in this, we're going to add a little bit salt. If you want, you can also add a little bit of water, add some coriander powder, boomba, little bit of ginger garlic paste, one more boomba. Okay, let the ginger garlic paste melt away. Wow, red chili powder. With the sambar, the side accompaniment has to be red. In this is super red chili powder, super spicy too. Okay, a lot of it, and then once again another boomba. The real flavor will come when you add green chili to this. Curry leaf. You know what? I'm going to add a little more water. I want the balls to be cooked from inside. Okay. Put the lid on and let it cook on a slow flame so that it's well done. Add some chopped coriander, the masala, the fennel, the cumin, the pepper, the garlic. Okay. On one hand, go the boomba with it and squeeze a little bit of lemon juice. That's it. Wow. This is a super killer combination with your sambar rice. These ones, super tasty, and when you eat it together, as such, if you want to eat, reduce the amount of spice masala to it. But with the sambar, go a little bit extra on the spice, and with the sambar rice, my God. Many people will go, wow, for the fried fish. But today, this chicken is super chicken. Look at it. Look at this. I say, look at it. Wow. As a chef, before you serve anybody, it is a must that you taste. What an excuse to. Wow. Little masala on the fingers. Super. There are 2 times that I sweat with happiness. One time is eating food. So, wow, look at it. Wow. And pour the sambar. Usually I prefer slightly, overcooked rice and, get all the vegetables too. Even though this is super hot, you got to dive in. Take a thing. Wow. Have you noticed one thing? 3 fingers for the chicken, 5 fingers for the sambar. What is it? 3 fingers for the chicken. And 5 fingers. Wow. Dear friends, this chicken is amazing. Kids, grown-ups, with teeth, without teeth, everybody will enjoy this. This ghee roast chicken dumplings with the sambar and rice is something to die for. Make it spicy like this. When there is good food, the second sweating happiness is food. Sometimes even first. Friends, enjoy every bit of it. No, second, no, one, no.